Hello, I am Lalit Kamlakar Ghatode and my enrollment number is 19133015 and I am studying in third year of computer engineering. Here in this project, I have made the UI representation of student management system with the help of Python, tkinter and MySQL. In this, I have added login page with validation and management system with add, delete, update as main function with the add-on functionalities of clear, search, exit commands. So let's run the program and see the functionalities. So as we run the program, we will first enter into login page. In this we will be greeted with welcome message and we will be getting an entry of username and password. So I have added validations too. If we make the column blank and we will try to log in, so it will show us error of blank not allowed. If we enter any random username and password, let's enter first and try to log in, it will show us an error of wrong username and password. I have also added exit button to exit from the login page if anyone wants to exit. So let's enter with correct username and password. So let's try to log in first. So now we are successful login and then click on OK. We will be shifted into the next window in the student management system, and in the student management system I have made two blocks in which we have first to enter the student informations, and in second block we will be seeing the student data. In this I have added 11 entries in which first is enrollment number, first name, middle name, last name, gender, program, year, contact, email, date of birth and address. In this we have also added combo boxes in which we can select in which program we are learning, year of learning and gender too. In this I have also added add, update, delete buttons, also clear button to clear the entries as you can see. And let's try to update any of the information. Let's try to update the year of a student, let's say first year, and we try to update, and then after some time you can see here we have successfully updated the data. In this we have updated data in first year. So in this way I have also, in this system I have also a search by button in which we can search any student with their numbers. Let's see, we want to search by enrollment number and we want to search enrollment number 10. So now we have to search first. So now we got the enrollment number 10 data, and also a show all button to show all data which is available in the system. So now we can see all the data available in our system. And also I have MySQL database in which we have saved all the database. Let's see is if our data is updated successfully or not. As you can see, I have run the query first. As you can see, we have successfully updated the data. So in this way we have completed our project and also added a logouts button. If we click on logout button, we will be exit from the system. So this is from my side. Thank you.